Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We have another Amazon unboxing today. And today we have my cat Lucky as the star. Yes, he is wearing a Thunder shirt. He has a few behavioral problems and it seems to really help. I eventually need to do a review on it because it's been a lifesaver for us. He's usually very, very worked up and obnoxious, and as you can see, he just wants to lay down and enjoy life right now. Hopefully I have enough room left on the table for this unboxing. Here's the Amazon box. Let's go ahead and find out what's inside. Okay. Amazon packaging as normal. Just throw a bunch of crap in the box and hope it makes it. So today we have a Mosche, hoping I'm pronouncing that right, handheld pressurized steam cleaner. 10-in-1. 3-meter power cord for maneuverability, cuts through grease, dirt, and grime. 180-degree rotating nozzle, high power 1050 watts, 9-piece accessory kit included. Spraying mode, water, vapor, steam. Steam output 25 to 40 grams a minute. Tank capacity 350 milliliters. Continuous steam time 7 to 10 minutes. Right at the top of the box we have the user's manual. If you want to read that, go right ahead. I think I'll get it figured out on my own. Let's see if I can blow it up in the process. Got the nozzle. Just dump everything out. Pretty open concept box. I would have liked to have seen a little more packaging in there, but you know, it's all plastic, so it's probably fine. Okay, let's go through the kit here. Let's see what all we have. Get all the plastic out of here. Okay, looks like we have a cover for the head so that you can really steam clean out upholstery and things like that. This will help pick it up. We have a curved nozzle, it looks like, and it goes down to a smaller size. We have the standard nozzle here. Looks like it hooks in on the end. There we go. It gives you some flexibility as to where you want to use this. This thing is stout. It is a lot heavier than I expected it to be. It feels good. This is the control valve. What it feels like. Nope, that's where you put water in. Okay. Then we got a trigger back here with a safety. There's a few other miscellaneous attachments. This hooks in directly on the end here. Places that guy. A little bit more of a directed spray, a little bit finer of a nozzle. We have a funnel. This can really help for filling. Trying to get it through that tiny little hole does not look like fun without a funnel. And a little measuring cup that has measurements on the side. Maybe you could put a little cleaner in here. Might have to actually read the directions for that one. The thing I do like is all the connections on here have O-rings on them, which are nice and easy to replace. Universal sizes. It's nothing proprietary. It's nothing that just hopes it will seal forever. I still haven't, not sure. I think this is an accessory holder. That would be my guess. And oh, it's got a little scrubber brush too. This is really stiff. I probably wouldn't use that on anything. So this just goes on the end like all the other attachments or the end of the hose. Keep an eye on the doobly-doo down below, and hopefully I'll have a text review on this after I've used it a couple times. Let you know how it works, let you know how pleased I am with it, and hey, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Okay, I know I already said goodbye, but I actually broke down and read the instruction manual to try and figure out what the heck this thing was. And I got it figured out. So it's got a rubber blade on it, and a couple of steam holes, and a couple latches. And so that piece that had the cloth on the end of it, you can clip it in, and now you have a window washer. So you bring it down the window, it'll blow the steam on it, and then the squeegee will clean it, wipe it clean. So, thought that was worthwhile adding to the video. Again, go ahead and comment down below. Tell me what you think.